Hi guys, I am Puneet Manvi. Welcome. I'm going to unbox today the best shoes under 1000 rupees, which is from Decathlon. This shoes is very special, like it has a limited access, so you cannot find it on online. So I brought it from Decathlon. So let's unbox these shoes and check whether the condition is good or not. So let's open, guys. Why I choose these shoes is this shoes is for good for all round, like walking, like functions, like formal wear, everything. And this shoes is very lightweight. So let's unbox it and see how is the condition. Okay. This is from Decathlon, as you can see. See guys, this is how the shoes looks. Is very nice, and very it is. I have satisfied with this. So as you can check the price here, and we have the Decathlon code over here, and you can see I ordered the number 42, which is UK 8 number it is. So this is the shoe. The quality, what I say is, this is what I called it. This is an all-round shoes which we can wear every party wear and walking. This is the best one. So you can check here. The flexibility is very good, and also the the quality is also very good. So you can check here. This is the shoe, guys. You can check. You can see the flexible quality. I'm so happy to see this. So very good. I can see the sole is very good, and it is we can wear it for a long time, guys. You can check here, guys. You can see inside.